Hey makeup lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top makeup kits of 2024 that you'll definitely want to get your hands on. Whether you're a professional MUA or just love organizing your beauty stash, these kits are game changers. Let's kick things off with our first must-have. Best overall, SHANY Essential Pro. First up, the SHANY Essential Pro. Makeup train case is a must-have for both professionals and beauty enthusiasts, offering the perfect blend of durability, space, and style. Measuring 14 by 9 by 10.5 inches, it's compact yet spacious enough to hold all your beauty essentials, from brushes and palettes to foundations and nail tools, with multiple compartments and adjustable plastic dividers for customized organization. The interior is lined with protective foam to keep your products safe, while the exterior is made from aluminum and ABS plastic, providing a lightweight yet durable design that's perfect for travel. Each tray features a stain-proof cover, making it easy to clean, and the secure locks ensure your products are protected on the go. It's versatile too, ideal for makeup storage, jewelry, or even as a salon toolkit, making it a fantastic choice for makeup artists, beauty students, and personal use. With its chic design and variety of colors, it also makes an excellent gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. SHANY is a trusted brand known for high-quality products designed by professional makeup artists, and with non-toxic, kid-safe materials, this case is perfect for anyone from teens to seasoned pros. Overall, the SHANY Essential Pro Makeup Train Case combines functionality, durability, and style to elevate your makeup organization game. Best for travel, Aesthetica. The Aesthetica Cosmetics Cream Contour and Highlighting Makeup Kit is a comprehensive, all-in-one palette designed to help you achieve flawless contouring and highlighting with ease. This sleek, travel-friendly kit contains 6 blendable, highly pigmented cream shades, 3 for contouring and 3 for highlighting, allowing you to sculpt, define, and enhance your facial features. Whether you want to create the illusion of higher cheekbones, a slimmer nose, or a more defined jawline, this kit has you covered. The step-by-step instructions and contour mapping guide make it perfect for both beginners and pros, helping you achieve a perfectly contoured look every time. The kit's formula is free from talc and parabens, making it suitable for all skin types, including dry, oily, and combination skin. The removable and refillable pans offer versatility, allowing you to mix and match shades to find the perfect blend for your skin tone, whether you're fair, medium, or dark. Plus, the non-irritating ingredients ensure that your skin stays comfortable throughout the day. The best part? The entire palette is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, so you can contour with confidence, knowing it's both eco-friendly and skin-safe. Best budget, SIGHTLING. Next, we have the all-in-one makeup kit for women, which will be your go-to solution for a complete makeup transformation, perfect for beginners and pros alike. This travel-friendly set includes everything you could possibly need: an eyeshadow palette, foundation, concealer, lipstick, eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, mascara, and even a cosmetic brush set. All neatly packed in a sleek travel bag, it's ideal for anyone who wants a full-face look on the go. The quality of these products is impressive. They're skin-friendly with non-irritating ingredients, ensuring that no matter your skin type, you can enjoy beautiful, long-lasting, and even waterproof makeup. Whether you're crafting a daily natural look or going bold for a special occasion, this kit offers a wide variety of shades and styles to mix and match. It's not just functional, but also a fantastic gift idea for any makeup lover in your life, whether it's for Christmas, Valentine's Day, or birthdays. This set is designed to meet the needs of everyone, from teens experimenting with makeup to seasoned beauty lovers. With this kit in your arsenal, you're covered for every occasion. From daily makeup routines to getting glam for a party. Trust me, this all-in-one bundle makes makeup easy, fun, and super convenient. Best for beginners, UNIFULL. The UNIFULL 88 Colors Professional Makeup Palette Set is an all-in-one solution that brings vibrancy and versatility to your makeup game. Whether you're a professional makeup artist, love experimenting with different styles, or are just starting out, This kit has everything you need to create a full-face look effortlessly. With 88 stunning shades from neutral tones to bold shimmery hues, this palette is designed to suit all skin tones and styles, allowing you to switch from natural daytime looks to dazzling evening glam in no time. The lightweight, soft-textured powders blend smoothly and are waterproof and long-lasting, ensuring your makeup stays flawless for hours. Each color is individually packed, making it super easy to access and perfect for traveling, whether you're going on vacation or just need a reliable set for on-the-go touch-ups. This kit doesn't stop at just eyeshadow. It also includes lipstick, compact powder, eyeliner, and concealer, making it a comprehensive choice for anyone who loves variety and convenience. It's the perfect gift for any makeup lover, young or old, as it's gentle on the skin and ideal for both beginners and pros. The high-quality, long-lasting formula ensures your look stays intact, whether you're attending a wedding, party, or just doing casual makeup. Best for professionals, the Miss Rose M148 colors. Makeup palette is an absolute must-have for anyone looking for a comprehensive, all-in-one makeup kit, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. This makeup set includes 148 vibrant eyeshadow shades, lipsticks, lip gloss, mascara, eyeliner, eyebrow pencil, makeup brushes, eyebrow stickers, and even a cosmetic sponge. Basically, everything you need to create a full-face look from start to finish. Whether you're getting ready for a party, casual outing, wedding, or just want to experiment with new looks, this kit has you covered with an amazing variety of colors and products to match any occasion. Designed as the perfect starter set, it's ideal for anyone just getting into makeup, offering an easy-to-use selection of professional-grade products in a travel-friendly format. Whether you love creating bold, dramatic looks or prefer more natural styles, the vast range of shades and tools makes it easy to experiment and customize your makeup. This set isn't just for beginners. Professionals will appreciate the diversity and quality, making it suitable for personal use or as a go-to kit for clients. With its wide application, it's perfect for festivals, birthdays, or special events like Christmas, Halloween, or Valentine's Day. And it's sure to be a hit as a gift for any makeup lover. And that wraps up our picks for the top makeup kits of 2024. Whether you're just starting out or you're a pro makeup artist, these all-in-one kits have everything you need to create stunning looks for any occasion. Be sure to check the links in the description to grab your favorite kit and start transforming your beauty game today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews, and let us know in the comments which makeup kit you're most excited to try. See you in the next video.